Hello, my name is Dr. Julian De Silva. I'm a London-based oculofacial, cosmetic and plastic surgeon, and today I'm answering frequently asked questions. A frequently asked question that I get asked is, what is the recovery time after blepharoplasty or eyelid surgery? Well, this is an interesting question because depending on what characteristics you're looking at, the recovery time will differ. Generally speaking, the factors that are going to be important for this are what is required in terms of the blepharoplasty, what is the surgery involved, the surgeon completing the surgery, which is perhaps the most important factor, and thirdly, the recovery period and what characteristics or what attributes are required in terms of recovery. So if we have a look at these, firstly let's have a look at what you actually need from the surgery. Now depending on whether you need upper eyelid surgery or lower eyelid surgery, the recovery can be slightly different. But broadly speaking, the recovery is 1 to 2 weeks. And there are steps that can be taken in order to enhance that recovery, and those are steps before the surgery, steps during the surgery in terms of surgical techniques and innovations, and thirdly, the period after the surgery. And I certainly give all my patients very detailed instructions on how to enhance their recovery, but they're common sense things as well in terms of avoiding excess, stress, activities that are likely to affect your blood pressure and be less fruitful in terms of healing. So then in terms of the surgery, what can be done during the surgery? Well, there are certain surgical techniques that can avoid scars. I hide upper eyelid incisions in natural creases, which makes them very difficult to see even a week after the surgery. With lower eyelid surgery, 90% of the time I will hide the scars completely by making a hidden incision technique. And so there are various steps and various techniques that can be used, microcannulae, platelet-rich plasma. All of these techniques and innovations are designed to enhance healing and speed up recovery. And the final aspect is you, in terms of like what is your profession, what are the attributes that you need in terms of recovery. If you're in the performance industry, if you're a model, a celebrity, or an actor or actress, you need to have faster recovery, and in order to achieve that, there are steps that can be taken along the process to enhance your recovery. But if you are in front of like HD cameras, as some of my patients are, then there are steps during the process that are required in order to speed up that recovery to give you the minimum amount of downtime necessary. So thank you for your question today. I hope you found some of this information useful. If you'd like more information, please have a look at my website. Thank you.